Hey guys, this is Orrin at Laundry Warehouse. Just wanted to go through today some of the laundry carts that we sell here at Laundry Warehouse. We have the first one here being the 100E. This is your standard size laundry cart that you see in most laundromats. Just give you a quick dimension here. This is going to be about a 26.5 by 22 inch. And the height of this one is going to be about 27 inches. You can buy this one with a double pole here. They also come in a single pole. Most commonly people get the double pole here. The height on this double pole is about 67 inches. The next one you're going to have is the mid-size. This is the 200F cart. You could fit up, at least 2 loads in this basket. This is pretty common. You could also get this one with a double pole. Give you dimensions total on both of them here. The height on this part with the pole is going to be 75 inches. The length on this cart is going to be 34 inches. Width is about 22 inches. R&B came out with what they call the big dog cart. Now if you have a big laundromat, you got a lot of big machines, 80, 90 pounders in there, you might want to get some of these in there so customers don't have to get multiple carts at your laundromat. Now this cart is a 200H. This one's about 37 inches in length and 23 inches in width. The height is 32 inches. This one also comes with a double pole, and again, just like the other ones, you can get this on a single pole. The height of this one is about 76 inches. Now, all these carts take the same wheel, which we call the 5-inch wheel here. Here's the part number. So if you're ever looking to get any of the wheels for your carts to replace, that's what you'll need.